Hey everyone! Quick, look! Something's smoking over there! It's Buzz Lightyear's car from Toy Story! He could be in danger! Let's go check it out together! There's so much smoke! I really hope Buzz is okay! We need to do something right now! Phew, we got lucky! Such a bright truck! Totally in Buzz Lightyear style. Whoa, it's Ham! I love this little pig. He's hilarious. Do you guys like him too? Let me know in the comments! Wow, and Lenny's here too! Or is it Lanny or Lonnie? Let me know what's right. Oh no, that's Buzz's leg. It's huge. What happened to him? Drop a like if you love Buzz Lightyear. Did you hear that? There's someone here. Wait, is that Woody? Look, the costume looks just like his. But why is he here? He looks suspicious. Hold on, his face is covered with a red bandana. I don't think this is the real Woody. He's hiding something. Hey there, are you a fan of Woody? Wait, where are you going? I love Woody. Can I take a photo with you? Or maybe chat for a bit? Guys, I feel like Lillipad is controlling him. What do you think? Why is this Woody acting so strange? Drop a like if you love Lenny. Look, Buzz, he's my favorite character ever. Hey, dude, your friend's right there. I wonder what's inside. Maybe a whole Buzz Lightyear? Oh, it's his arm. Look, just like in the movie. Too bad the laser on this arm is broken. I'd love to test it out. No way, it's Buzz's shield. Wow, pinch me. Look, it's Lillipad. She's broken. Guys, this is something scary and creepy. Who is this? Do you remember this toy? Dude, Woody, be careful. It looks dangerous. This is such a strange toy, guys. I think you're supposed to put it on your finger. Alright, what's going on with the car? It's not starting. Let's try to fix it up and drive around the woods. Maybe we'll find something else interesting. Alright, look, the spark plugs aren't in place. Oh, Woody, you know your way around cars? The wires are disconnected too, that won't work. Guys, subscribe if you love finding unusual cars from cartoons and bringing them back to life. Alright, dude, let's fix this car together. Look, this hose is for the cooling system. Let's check it. Yes, that's right. All right, Woody, I need your help. We need to secure this hose. All right, now we need a battery. I really hope it doesn't need some super powerful movie-style battery, because all I've got is a regular one. Guys, while we hook up this hose, let me know in the comments, who's your favorite Toy Story character? I love Buzz Lightyear and Woody. The battery fits. Lucky! Alright, now let's take care of the spark plugs. By the way, I watched the new Toy Story movie yesterday. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Drop a red heart if you liked it, and a sad face if you didn't. Woody, you really know your way around this car. I'd love it if we could fix every car together. Drop a like and Woody's coming with me. All right, just a little more and we'll be all set. Whoa, there's no coolant in here at all. I didn't bring any special fluid, but I think I've got a plan B. This much water won't be enough for the cooling system. Oh, Woody, you're a genius. Clever solution. Of course, you shouldn't pour puddle water into a real car, but a toy one? Sure, why not? Yeah, the water's not exactly clean. but I think we'll be just fine. Woody, we're a real team. Great job. Let's try starting Buzz Lightyear's car. Oh no, did the puddle water mess everything up? Awesome! We fixed Buzz Lightyear's car! Honestly, I thought this repair would be way harder. Woody, show me the way. Oh no, the wheels are spinning. We need a hand here. Man, this car really has no luck. First it was on fire, now it's stuck. Oh, where'd Woody go? Alright, let's think about what we can do. Maybe let's try pulling it out with my car. Uh-oh, guys, Woody took my car. Wait, stop! Ah, Woody's got the same plan. Alright, go for it. I think it'll work. My car is strong enough to pull this bright little truck right out. Yes, it's working. All right, let's get out of these woods and go find something exciting. By the way, let me know what city you're from. I'll try to come visit you in Buzz Lightyear's car. Woody, thanks for the help. I'm gonna go test out this car and come right back to you. Whoa, you hear that sound? This engine's got some serious power. Let's test it out off-road. These bumps are massive. I'm watching the road super closely so we don't break down out here again. Phew, that was awesome. This car rides like an absolute beast. A couple of those bumps really threw me up in the air. Good thing the roof's still in one piece. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed watching us bring Buzz Lightyear's car back to life. See you in the next video.